Hey Erin, my name is Katie, and I am actually work with your friend Josh Osborne. I live and work here in Colorado Springs, and just wanted to shoot you a quick and free customized video analysis of your website here. I noticed you aren't ranking as high as you could be in the search engine, so I just wanted to show you 3 things that you can do today to bring in more customers to your business. So I'm going to give you an easy blueprint of actual things that you can do for free to impact your business. So without wasting any more of your time, let me just go ahead and show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing is content. Now, Google likes to see 1,000 words of keyword-rich content to be properly optimized. So you might ask, well, what is keyword-rich content? It really just means filling up your homepage here with content that repeatedly uses the keywords that you want to be ranked for. So by not ranking on the top of the first page in Google for all of the major keywords that you want to be ranked for, you're missing out on literally thousands of potential customers. As we can see here, when I searched for used cars, Colorado Springs, and the keyword explorer here, I see that each month 3,600 people alone search for used cars. That's not to mention any specific type of car or different searches like cars for sale in Colorado. I mean, you're looking at thousands of potential customers that you're missing out on by not being on the home page there. I mean, the first page of Google. So bottom line is Google loves to see unique, authoritative, and quality content, and a lot of it. It makes you look like an expert to them in the search engines, which is going to result in higher rankings for you. Now, the second thing I want to talk about are citations. Now, citations here are very simple. They are just a listing of your business information. So businesses with the most citations will show up here in the Google Maps section, or what we call the map pack. So you've got the business name, their address, and phone number. So you're probably asking, well, how do I rank in maps? Well, to answer your question, pull up a resource that I use called WhiteSpark, and it allows me to see how many citations you have and exactly what directories you're submitted to. So when I looked up your site, I see that you guys have 30 sites that list your business information. Now, one of the guys in the map pack here, Sus Superstore, they have 89 citations. So what we can do is we can actually look at the exact directories that they are submitted to right here, and we can submit your company information to all of these exact same directories, but we won't stop there. We'll submit to even more in order to thoroughly dominate them and get you up here on the map pack. Now, the final thing that I wanted to talk to you about is an extremely important part of your ranking success. So you can see here when I searched for used cars, Colorado Springs, which is the major search keyword per month, remember that 3,600, you can see that when we search for it, your site is not ranking #1 down here in the organic section. Now, statistics tell us that 70% of the links search users click on are organic. So in other words, 7 out of 10 people using the internet to find used cars in Colorado Springs are going to do business with a company that is somewhere right here in the organic section. So how do you get there? Well, the simple answer is that you need more links. Links are really simple. Basically, they're any website on the internet that links back to your website. So the more relative sites that you have, like say an auto company in California linking to you as opposed to a Pizza Hut, the closer you're going to get to the top of this organic section, and the more customers you're going to bring in. So I pulled up your site here, and I can see that you have only 9 backlinks that are live. So you have only 9 live sites that are linking to your website. Pulled up one of your main competitors, Phil Long, and he only has 38 live. Now, that's a really small difference. That just goes to show me that with a little bit of effort and consistency and some high authority sites right here that we have access to, we can really bump you up there into the top of the organic section very, very quickly. So in closing, I just want to remind you of what we went over. The first thing was content. So you need 1,000 words on your homepage of keyword-rich content. And then citations. We need to submit your business information to more directories than it currently is to get you in that map pack. And then finally, links. We have access to those really high-quality links that's going to help you surpass the Phil Long, the Hugh Berger, any other guys that might be there in the top of the organic section. So Aaron, if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. Now, you're welcome to do this on your own, but if you want the most effective route and to save yourself time and money, give me a call at 719-301-9928. I live and work locally, and if you call me in the next 24 hours, I'll give you a free 30-minute phone consultation to discuss these strategies. Again, my name is Katie, and my phone number is 719-301-9928. Thanks again and have a great day.